Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unfollow someone on Instagram. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to unfollow someone on Instagram. This is a very simple and easy process, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to download the Instagram app. Once that app is downloaded, you're going to sign in and you're going to go into the app. Once you're signed in, you're going to find someone that you would like to unfollow on Instagram. So you're either going to search to find them or you can go right to their page. So once you're there at their profile, you will see right here under their profile name, there's a button that says following and it's got the little down arrow. So we're going to hit that. That gives you a bunch of options. You can add them to your close friends list. You can see what notifications. You can turn their post notifications on right there. You can mute their story just so you don't see anything. Or you can actually unfollow them. So we're going to hit the unfollow button. You'll see once you've unfollowed them, it's as if you aren't friends anymore. There's that follow tab right there. If you did this by accident for some reason, you can just come back and hit follow right again. But let's assume that we are actually unfollowing them. We will unfollow them right there, and you are all set. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks, and have a great day.